Okay, think about this. What if someone, stole 2 days from you?
Stole days?
What?
No.
I mean it. 1 month of the year is, very short.
Wait, a month? Like on a calendar?
Yeah. Welcome to English Pod Center, by the way. I'm Luna.
And I'm Lucas. Wait, tell me about the stolen days.
So we are learning the 12 months of the year today.
12, right. January to December?
Exactly. But it's hard, right? People forget the order.
Oh, yeah, I always mix them up.
Right. So think of the year like a big house. It has 12 rooms.
12 rooms. Okay, big house.
Room number 1, the front door. That is January.
January. Jan-U-R-Y. Got it.
Perfect. New year, new start.
Right, like Happy New Year.
Yes. Then room 2, February.
Oof, February. That word is hard to say.
It really is. Everyone says it wrong.
I just say February.
Yeah, that's fine. And this is the short month.
Oh, the stolen days.
Exactly. It only has 28 days, not 30.
Wow. Okay, January, February. What is next, Luna?
Room 3 is March.
March. M-A-R-C-H.
Right. March is, when the weather changes.
Cold to warm? Wait, no. Warm to cold.
Cold to warm. The snow melts.
Oh, now I get it. Winter goes away.
Yes. Then comes, April. Room 4.
April. Rain. Lots of rain.
So much rain. We say, April showers.
Okay, let me try. January, February, March, April.
Look at you. Perfect.
I'm very smart today, Luna.
You are. Okay, room 5 is May.
May. Short word. Easy.
Very easy. May brings flowers.
Because of the April rain.
Exactly. You see, Lucas, the rooms connect.
That is a good way to remember.
And then room 6, halfway, June.
June, summertime.
Summer, hot sun, no school.
I love June. June is the best room.
It is a great room. And next to it, room 7 is July.
July, beach time.
Right. July is hot. So room 8 is August.
August. Wait, August is also hot, right?
Yeah, very hot, like an oven.
An oven. So July and August are the oven rooms.
Yes, they are. But then, room 9, things change.
Room 9. What month is that?
September.
September. That's a long word.
It is. But listen, Lucas, September, it has a special sound.
It does? Like what?
The end of the word. Ber. B-E-R.
Oh, September. Yeah, I hear it. Burr.
And guess what? The last 4 rooms all end with ber.
Wait, really? The last 4?
Yep, it's a cool trick. September is room 9.
Okay, so what happens in September?
Back to school. The summer is over.
Oh, sad room. No more beach.
No more beach. And the leaves fall down.
Right. Autumn, fall.
Exactly. Then room 10, October.
October. Wait, burr. You said burr.
Yes, October. See? The trick works.
Wow, that's so easy to remember.
And what do we see in October?
Pumpkins and ghosts. Halloween.
Yes, the orange and black room. Pumpkins everywhere.
I love October. Lots of candy.
Me too, Lucas. Okay, next is room 11.
Let me guess. It ends with burr.
You got it. November.
November. Wow, the trick is really good.
November is getting cold. Very cold.
Do we need a jacket in this room?
Yes, a big jacket. The trees have no leaves.
Oh, okay. So we are almost at the end of the house.
Yes, the last room. Room 12.
The final room. Let's see. Does it end with burr?
It does. December.
December. Room 12.
And what is in December?
Snow, presents, holidays.
Exactly. The house is full of snow now.
That's a great house, Luna.
See, it's easy. 12 rooms, 12 months.
Let me try. September, October, November, December. The burr months.
Perfect. You learned them all.
Wow, I actually get it now. the oven rooms, the burr rooms.
Yes, it helps to see them.
Okay, Luna, what is a good way to practice this?
Good question. Here's a small test.
Uh-oh, a test?
A fun test. Think about your birthday.
Okay, my birthday is room 4, April.
Right. So, listeners, what is your birthday room?
Oh, that's a great idea. Find your room number.
Yes, what number is your birthday month?
Write it down or tell a friend.
And if you liked this, please follow us here at English Pod Center.
Yeah, see you in the next room. Bye.